It's what's up, family. You know what? Your girl has hit the 500 mark. Yeah, and if it wasn't for you and your continuous support and God, I would not have made it. Thank you so much, family. You know we're on the road to 1K. Family, get me to that 1K, okay? I know you're gonna do it. Thank you. And if you're here for the first time, guys, don't hesitate. Click that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Anyway, let's get into the recipe. Today, we are making delicious donuts. Let's do it. So first, we're gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We're gonna whisk that butter until the butter is melted. Now that our butter is melted, we're gonna go ahead and remove it from the heat. And next, I'm gonna go in with 1 cup of milk. 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk well until the sugar is dissolved. Next, I'm gonna go in with 1 egg. Whisk. And next, I'm gonna go ahead and add our dry yeast. And then we're gonna combine all together until our yeast is dissolved. After mixing, we're gonna set it aside and let it rest for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, we're now gonna pour our mixture into this bowl here. And then I'm gonna go in with 3 cups of flour. I'm now gonna go ahead and mix our ingredients with a spoon, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish off with my hands. What we're looking for here, we're looking for a moist dough. If you find that your dough is very sticky, you can add a little bit of flour. It won't do your dough no harm. It's a little bit sticky here, but that's enough. It's okay. Now I'm gonna wash my hands to remove the excess flour. And then I'm gonna come back and cover the dough and let it rest for an hour in a warm place. What I normally do, I normally turn on my oven before mixing my dough and put it at least at about 50 degrees Celsius and turn it off, and when the dough is finished, I place it in the oven. Okay, so it's now about an hour, and this is what our dough looks like. It has risen. What we want to do now, we want to deflate the dough and remove it from this bowl. I'm now gonna go ahead and put the dough on a clean surface, but here I'm dusting a little bit of flour because you'll need a little bit of flour to work with. What I'm gonna do now, I'm now gonna cut my dough in 4 pieces. If you have a pastry knife, you can use it. Here I have a pizza cutter, that's what I'm using, or you can use a normal knife. Use what you have, guys. I'm now gonna go ahead and break my dough in smaller pieces. I could continue with the knife to cut the dough, but I have a better feeling when I use my hands. I can better feel the size. I'm now gonna go ahead and shape our dough into ball shape. Yes, here I dust a little flour on my surface. So our dough is now all formed. We're now gonna go ahead and make our twisted donuts. A little flour on the surface there. Guys, to be honest, this might be the most challenging part of making your donuts, but do it how you can. This is the way I do it. I rub from the middle to the 2 sides. So you just rub middle to the sides, yes, until you have this form. And then you're gonna take up the dough and you're gonna make a twist from the top, and then you're gonna go ahead and seal the edge. And now put it aside to rest. I'm gonna do 2 and then I'm gonna do the rest off camera. So you rub together, then you roll from the middle to the sides. Not too much pressing, guys, gently. Let's twist again like we did last summer. Let's twist again like we did last year. Let's twist again. Twisting time is here. Guys, you know that song? Just a little fun. We are twisting here, okay? Yes, twisting time is here. So we're gonna twist again. Okay, so you twist from the top to the bottom like we did before. And then you're gonna go ahead and seal the edge. And then we're gonna put it aside to rest. Okay, so here our donuts are all twisted. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes, and then I come back and I flip them on the other side for another 10 minutes. So in 20 minutes total, the donuts will be rested. So after 10 minutes, let's check on our donuts. See, guys, they are risen. So we're gonna flip them on the other side for 10 minutes. Then you're gonna go ahead and cover them While our donuts are resting, I'm gonna go ahead and mix our sugar mixture with cinnamon. That's 3 tablespoons of sugar and half teaspoon of cinnamon. So after 20 minutes, we're gonna go ahead now and fry our donuts. So guys, we can see that our donuts are doubled in size. Okay, so here I have a pot with oil, which is already hot. I'm placing my donuts in, or donuts in. It was on high. You want to now put it on low heat. They're going to fry on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so we're now going to flip our donuts on the other side gently. So now that our donuts are fried on both sides, about 6 minutes there, we're going to remove them and place them on the paper towel here to remove the excess oil. Now gonna go ahead and shake our donuts into our sugar and cinnamon mixture. So there we have it. Our donuts are all looking lovely. Yummy, yummy to my tummy. Wow. So guys, our donuts are all finished. Look at them, so beautiful. Wow, lovely. I'm just gonna break into one. Wow guys, this will melt into your mouth. Please remember to try the recipe. You will love it. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your love and your support. See you in my next video. Bye.